Indian, this stupid, this shameful media to tell us that they themselves are embarrassed that what they are doing. They are trying to make Indian public. They think that the world is full, that their public is full. No, the Indian public is also not full. They are also watching. You are trying to gag. You are trying to shut down the voices. You are trying to push the journalists into the prison vans and dungeons and don't know where. Listen to this. It's a joke. Listen to this joke.
Of the Pakistan Prime Minister's residence.
पाकिस्तान के JF-17 फाइटर जेट को भारत के आकाश मिसाइल सिस्टम ने मार गिराया है.
The JF-17s, perhaps 2 of them have been shot down. We are also told one F-16 has been shot down. That's a huge loss for Pakistan.
One Pakistani fighter jet pilot has also been detained, is the latest information that we have. This is the latest information. 3 JF-17s gone.
ये जो AVAX इनका जो
एक AVAX भी, one AVAX has also been shot down.
इसमें इनकी रीढ़ टूट गई है.
An F-16 has been down. Amit Bhatt of News 18 Rajasthan has confirmed that an F-16 has been shot down.
Vishnu, we're hearing from sources that Pakistan Air Force
And the sources are their official sources. Their Ministry of Defense is saying, what a shame.
To be saying that they've lost 2 JF-17 fighter jets in the course of Operation Sindhu. That's a very big admission from them.
There is a lot of speculation that is going on, and one speculation that is going on is whether there is a coup against the army chief Asim Munir.
कराची बंदरगाह पर भारी तबाही हुई है. 10 से ज्यादा धमाके वहां पर देखने को
The port of Karachi is in flames.
अब कुछ बचा नहीं है पाकिस्तान में.
Nothing is left in Pakistan. I hope you people are all right.
Big news that is coming in. Rahul, Rawalpindi and now Islamabad. Air raid sirens have gone off in Islamabad.
आर्मी अंदर घुस गई है पाकिस्तान में.
क्वेटा का इलाका है, वहां पर
In Quetta also.
कर दिया है. इस्लामाबाद के बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशंस पर अटैक किया गया.
Our missiles S-400s.
Please pause. Please pause. Pause.
One F-16.
रोकिएगा.
In the picture you can see supposedly a PL-15 missile that they think is lying on the floor or somewhere.
This one, I think you are referring to this
Yeah,
one.
this one.
Yeah. Which they are claiming again and again it's a PL-15.
Children at science fairs make better models of such missiles. This is neither close to a PL-15 nor does it look like a PL-15. The missile does not land like this and gets broken in the mid section. The missile self-destructs in the air after it has a burnout time. I mean, this is laughable. You can die laughing. It's very dangerous thing that they're doing. It's fatal to human beings. This is absurd, totally absurd. Missiles don't land like this and get broken in the midsection. Nor they are of white color if they are not dummy. So, and as far as the seekers are concerned, well, we say that we fired at them. So they're supposed to have seekers. We did fire. They're supposed to bring debris to prove the claim. They did this last time also in 2019. They showed a piece of an AMRAAM that they shot an F-16. The piece of an AMRAAM doesn't prove that they shot an F-16. It proves that we fired at them. Some part of the aircraft proves that they got the better of it. So we have to admit that they are making us, at least the humor part is with them.
Yes, of course.